Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Alexa from Barbie and the Diamond Castle on Dress to Impress. So I'm going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on per usual. Also, I did use some Robux, one Robux item here. It's optional, like you can switch out the top for something else, but it looks kind of the most like the shirt she has, the top. Select this hair and color it 8A6131, position the Y at 0.47, Z 0.44, rotate the X and Y to 0.52 and scale it to 0.45. Grab this hair and toggle it to the back toggle and position the Z to 0.54. Grab this hair in the same color, position the Z to 0.66, rotate the X to 0.52 and scale it to 0.39. Grab this crown in AA4789 and in A94789 and position the Y 0.59, Z 0.49 and scale it to 0.37. It's this one. Grab these earrings outside of VIP in 7444B8, A94789, and the first one I toggled it to glitter. Position the X to 0.41, Y 0.88, Z 0.47, rotate the Y to 0.6, Z 0.53. For the necklace, I use this one from the currency item in CF5788 and C4A1ED. Then I did use like an earring for like this diamond on her chest. You can only see it if you do the mannequin pose. So do this first: 9542F0 and 533480. Position the Y 0.05, Z 0.6. Rotate the Y to 0.38 and scale it up to 1. You'll see it later when I toggle the pose on. But for now, I'm going to use this top in the only top without choker. I'm going to color it this color 9542F0 in glitter. And the sleeves aren't the same, but I'm going to use this one in sleeves only in that same light color, light purple color. For the top, I did use this. I know there's like a string. You can, I guess, color it to your skin color instead of the, what's it called? The top. Let me actually see what that would look like. It would look like this though. It will show some of this still. Actually, it doesn't matter because that's the color of the strap. So I'm still just going to color it this purple in glitter. Then for the skirt, I'm going to use this one in the dark color first in glitter and then glitter again in that lighter purple for both. For the skirt, we're going to do the exact same thing. This one in glitter in this dark purple, as well as this skirt in only skirt and color it the same. For the shoes, you can use anything you want. I'm just going to use these in this darker purple and lighter purple. Then you can also add the flower basket. You don't have to, but I'm just going to do that. Color all of the like flowers like a purplish hue. Oops, in silk. And I'm just going to do the mannequin pose so you guys can see that I did have this gem. You can also place it somewhere else and adjust it to your pose. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.